Understand that you are feeling anxiety after giving this exam, but the thing that I wanted to convey is your NEET PG is going to be different from this INI CET. The only take home message you can take from this exam is you can analyze which part of which subject was difficult for you in this exam and what all important things you can see in the time that is left with you for the NEET PG in which you were facing difficulty today. So try analyzing your preparation, give yourself half an hour and note down all the things that you think that if you read them, it will help you to get through in the NEET PG if they ask again from these topics or these subject. So do not worry or do not be anxious. You can still do it. There are a lot of people who will do it even after making this INI CET means worse or not, giving this INI CET not very good, but they will make it because they will take the time that is left very positively. So I want you to take the time that is left very positively and very enthusiastically. Just analyze and plan what all things are left and what all things you have to read on priority. And one more thing is, see, nobody can complete the syllabus. Even the ones who prepare for 2 years, 3 years, they cannot complete everything. So just have faith in yourself. Say to yourself that you can still do it, and the only thing that will help you is reading, right? So buck up your speed and just read the things on the priority which are important and try to finish the left part that is still left for you. So with full confidence, give the NEET PG that is coming. You still have around a month with you and that is more than enough. So I think this would help you. This is Dr. Shivam and hoping that best will happen for you.